Squeak, Flip, Gussie, Dottie, and Sugar. We're all go pets. I don't know what it seems like a dollar's best deal. Thank you for helping us. I don't know. I didn't see this parking lot before. I didn't see it. I just seen looking at. Where's Dog Thingy? I'm gonna sleep right there today. And I'm gonna sleep before you can get to cover the beds. Oh no, the phone is waking you wakes up. I don't care. Doesn't seem. I don't think Dog Thingy is sick better like. I don't like the bedrooms. I don't care about. You know that kid can't sleep in there. I do you not know.